In this video, we're going to be taking a look at this Skytech King 95 gaming PC that you can buy right now on Amazon. I'll leave a link to it below. If you do click a link and purchase anything on Amazon, it will help support the channel at no extra cost to you, and I greatly appreciate it. Now, this Skytech King 95 gaming PC on Amazon features a Ryzen 7 9700X, which is nice. It's a new gen AMD Ryzen processor, one of the better ones for sure. One of the best processors you can get right now. NVIDIA RTX 5070 12GB. This is a 1440p capable card for sure. You can definitely get a good, very good 1440p gaming performance from it. So that's not bad. 1 TB SSD, pretty standard. 32 gigs of DDR5, 6000 megahertz. Pretty solid. 32 gigs is good. I was about to do a video on another one that had similar specs to this, maybe even a little better. It was a little cheaper, but it only had 16 gigs. And honestly, these days, I feel like, to me, 32 is a minimum I would want. If you're just strictly gaming and you don't play that demanding of titles and you don't multitask and things like that, 16 is still fine. But for me, I like to make sure I have at least 32. So that's good. 850 watt gold power supply, and it also features a 360 millimeter AIO for cooling. Now at about $1,900, we might as well call it. I think this is an okay deal for a pre-built. As I'm sure many of you know or have heard, or maybe you haven't, when you buy a pre-built gaming PC versus building your own, you definitely pay a premium for it being already built. But that's just sort of the trade-off of getting one shipped right to your door. There's no work, there's no setup, there's no needing tools and knowledge and all these things. So off the bat, all in all, my initial thoughts were this is not too bad of a deal. Like, for sure you're paying more than if you were to build one, but that's always to be expected. In my opinion, with pre-builds, what you're really looking for is quality parts, as well as, a decent price, but you really don't want to be paying too much for crap, is basically how I would put it. And in my opinion, yes, this is going to cost, a pretty penny, but you're getting the latest AM5 processor, 9700X, a very good 1440p capable and pretty good value NVIDIA GPU here with the 5070 12GB. Plenty of storage, plenty of RAM, plenty powerful enough power supply, and also this is a system that's going to be easily upgradable, which I think is a big thing with pre-builts. So that you're not just spending money and then it's kind of like, well, there's no real upgrade path to it and things like that. This one you could easily throw in a 5070 Ti down the road, or a 9070 XT 16GB or something like that, and get immediate 1440p especially gains from it. So it does have a pretty decent upgrade path. Now this one's $1,900. If we do go to my PC part picker list, as you can tell right here, I went ahead and threw together a very, very similar build. I didn't min-max the price on this, so yes, you could build it for even cheaper, I'm sure, if you min-max the parts and find the deals and stuff. But basically, 9700X, I threw in the liquid cooler as well, the AIO. It's a Wi-Fi motherboard for $200, 32 gigs of 6000 RAM, 1 TB, 5070 12GB, a Montech XR case, and an 850 watt gold certified power supply. As you can tell down here, this brings the price to about $1,600. So really, for this Amazon one, you're paying, like, you might as well look at it, $300 premium to have it built for you. And for a system of this caliber, and if someone's already looking to spend this amount of money, I think you're overall just going to be happy with it. A computer of this caliber is going to be plenty capable of playing any game you want, even at 1440p with that 5070 12GB. They're going to be capable of 1440p. Also, if you're trying to stream and multitask or video edit, it's going to be plenty capable of pretty much anything you want to do at this price range. And again, it's going to have a good little upgrade path for you, in my opinion, if you did want to down the road put in a 9070 XT 16GB card and sell this 5070, then you could get some really good 1440p performance. You could also upgrade to the 9800 X3D if you wanted to squeeze even more gaming performance. So you have some options here, but I'd say most people buying this are going to be just happy with it. And again, with my PC parts list, $1,600. Yes, you could get that down lower if you're picked out more specific parts. But all in all, that kind of shows kind of where the value of this pre-built lies. That's it for this video of my little breakdown of the Skytech King 95. All in all, I think it's not too bad of a deal if you're looking to buy a pre-built off Amazon, because a lot of bad deals out there. That's why on this channel I try to highlight some of the ones that I think are actually worth buying if you're going to buy a pre-built off Amazon. And I try to give a little bit of my reasoning why behind it. If you enjoyed the video, leave a like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.